Hi, I'm Kristen Baraboo, owner of Bend Beyond. Today's Inferno exercise is rockets. This powerful exercise will really get your heartbeat racing and your legs on fire. Rockets is truly a full body exercise. The emphasis may be on the lower body, but your powerhouse and your upper body receive so many benefits as well. Rockets strengthen your leg, glute, abdominal, back, chest, and arm muscles. They also help with mobility in your hips, knees, ankles, and shoulders. When rockets come at the end, especially on leg day, they can be a real burner. So bring your attention to your center, your powerhouse, and see that as the engine that pulls you back and then rockets you forward. Once you have the good form, then pick up the pace and you'll see that rockets are a great cardio boost as well. Let's go take a closer look. Rockets. Setup is key in this one. Find your high plank position. Make sure from the very beginning that your shoulders are stacked directly over your wrists. This will set you up for a great exercise. Also, the stance. Feet should be at least mat width apart, maybe slightly wider. A narrow stance in this exercise will not set you up for success. Engage your core muscles, your whole powerhouse, and keep your hips low as you draw your hips back towards your heels, getting as low as possible, and then as you exhale, shoot forward, right back to that solid plank position. As you do your rockets, you can pick up the pace as long as you have the good form, making this leg exercise a great cardio impact as well. A couple key mistakes are to allow the shoulders to come well past the wrists as you go into your plank, dropping the hips and losing core engagement, or not coming forward enough and shoulders are behind the wrist, hips are up to the ceiling in a more tented fashion. Make sure that after each rocket you come back to your solid plank position. Another common mistake is as you bring the hips back to let them go up towards the ceiling rather than down towards your heels. This does not give the legs and the glutes as much opportunity to engage. So instead, make sure to stay as low as possible, stomach in as you draw back, and then rock it forward for success. Keep these tips in mind next time you make it to your mat, and I hope you'll get more out of your practice with us. See you soon.